Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to power off Vivo phone. Friends, we want to power off your phone. So by how to power off, today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, today we will power off Vivo phone with new tips and trick. So when click on phone setting, after on phone setting when scroll it, when click on Vivo phone shortcut setting. At the shortcut setting guys, we will on it. After on shortcut setting friends, scroll it, then click on accessibility setting. After on guys accessibility setting, then click on accessibility menu setting, and once on your accessibility menu from here right side click here, allow, and once got it. And guys now come back, we will close app. Friends, you can see get this three dot on your screen. So friends, click here, and friends you can see assistant setting, accessibility setting, power setting, volume down, volume up. Friends, you want to decrease your volume, you want to increase, so you can increase decrease from here. Friends, you can check your recent app. Friends, you want to check your notification, you can check notification. So friends, there are many settings. You can increase brightness, you can decrease brightness. Friends, you want to lock your screen, so friends you can lock your view phone screen without click any button. You can lock your screen. So friends, we can use this accessibility menu shortcut setting. So friends, click here, friends click on power of setting. Friends, you go to power of your phone. So without press power button, without click any power button, you can off, you can power off your phone. Friends, click on power of setting, guys your phone will power off. Guys, after 4 and 5 seconds, 1 minute you want to power on, so you can power on. So friends, you will have to press, you will have to use your power off button. So guys, press your power off button friends. So friends, your phone will power on after some second. I think it's 20 and 25 second. Automatic your phone will on. So like that friends, we can power off and we can power on our Vivo mobile. And before going guys, please go and like the video guys and subscribe the channel guys. So guys, phone will power on. And guys, now guys, swipe here, unlock your phone, and you can use your view phone. So like that guys, we can power off our phone without press power off button. So bye guys, thanks for watching.